Number series questions are the most common questions in competition exams. In the number series questions, we look for the pattern of difference, product, squares and cubes. In today's video, we are going to discuss 15 patterns of number series question. So let's get started. My first question here is 126, 113, 102, 95 and I have to find the next number of the series. So let's try to observe the pattern. First key point is difference. So find the difference between the two numbers. 126 minus 113 will give me 13. So the pattern is of minus 13. Next, 113 minus 102 will be 11. 102 minus 95 will be 7. Bingo! We have found our series. These are prime numbers. The pattern that is following in the series is subtraction of prime numbers. So the next prime number after 7, 13, 11, 7, the next prime number will be 5. So the difference will be of 5 between the next two numbers. 95 minus 5 will give me my missing number as 90. Now next move to our second series. 4.5, 2.5, 7, 9.5, 16.5. It's first decreasing, then constantly increasing. So difference is not in this series. Product 4.5 to 2.5, no product series. But if you carefully observe, 4.5 plus 2.5 is giving me my third number 7. 2.5 plus 7 is giving me my next number 9.5. Again 7 plus 9.5 is giving me 16.5. So important point to note here is it is the pattern similar to Fibonacci series. What is my Fibonacci series? 1, 1, 2. Then add the two numbers. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So the somehow similar pattern is followed in this series. So the next number will be 9.5 plus 16.5, which will give me 26. So answer to my question is 26. Now next move to our next series. 1, 2, 4, 7, 28. Again start with these difference. Differences of 1, 2, 3. Till now a pattern is followed. But here direct 21. Here if I follow the difference pattern, the difference is of 1, 2, 3. But here it is of 21. So the difference is not the pattern. Now look for product. If I look for product, 7 multiplied by 4 will give me 28. 2 multiplied by 2 will give me 4. But between 4 and 7, it can be plus 3. Multiply plus multiply. Here also I am going to write plus. So the pattern is plus multiply and the numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bingo, I have found my pattern. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number will be definitely 5 plus multiply. So here the sign will be again of plus. So 28 plus 5 will give me 33 as answer. So answer to my question here is 33. Now let's come to our next pattern. It's a very beautiful pattern. 4 and 2. If I go to product or divide pattern, 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 will give me 2. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 will give me my number 2. Again, 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 will give me 0.5. But here it is 0.5 to 0.25. So here I need 0.5, which is again 1 by 2. But to reach here 0.25 to 0.5, no pattern is making this. So this is the wrong pattern. Now if you observe 4 into 0.5, 4 multiplied by 0.5 is giving me my middle number 2. 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 is giving me my middle number 0.25. Here also 2 multiplied by 0.25 is giving me 0.5. So for the next number, 0.25 multiplied by this should give me 0.5. So let's say here the number is x. So 0.25 multiplied by x should give me 0.5. So the number here should be x equals to 2. So the pattern is of multiply the two numbers and you will find the middle number. Multiply the two numbers and you will find the middle number. I have to multiply these two to find my middle number. So my middle number here will be, the value of x will be 2 to get my middle number 0.5. Now next move to our next series, 5, 28, 17, 126. Difference first increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So it is not of difference pattern. Product, the product pattern can also not set here. Next is squares and cubes. If I look carefully, 126 is near to the cube of 5. Cube of 5 is 125. So I can write 126 as 5 cube plus 1. Next, 17. I can write 17 as 17 is near to 16 and 16 is the square of 4. Now 28. 28 is near to 27, which is cube of 3 plus 1. 5 near to 4, which is a square of 2. So first square, cube, and the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5. I found my pattern 2, 3, 4, 5. So next will be definitely 6. Square, cube. So in the next also there will be square plus 1. Square of 6, 36. 36 plus 1 will give me 37. So the answer to this series is 37. Next in our sixth pattern, 16, 9, 10, 16, 33. First decreasing, then 16, then increasing. Whenever in the series you see the pattern of first decreasing and then increasing, always try multiplication of half. Always try to look for the pattern of multiplication of half in the series where the numbers are first decreasing and then increasing. So here 16 multiplied by half will give me 8. Number is 9, so it will be plus 1. So if I write it with half series, 16 into 1 by 2 plus 1 is giving me 9. But from 9 I have to reach to 10. So I can write it as 9 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Now next 10 to 16. Now 10 to 15 reaching is easy, and 15 plus 1 will give me 16. So to reach from 10 to 16 I have to do 10 multiplied by 3 by 2 and plus 1. 10 into 3 by 2 will give me 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Now if you observe the pattern, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So what I am going to do, I am writing this 1 as 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is 1 only. So the pattern is of 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2. Now next, just check 16 into 4 by 2 plus 1. 16 into 4 by 2, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. I found my pattern. 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the next number, I have to do 33 into 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So again plus 1. 33 into 5, 165. 165 upon 2 will be 82.5. 82.5 plus 1 will give me 83.5 as answer. 33 into 5 will give me 165. 165 upon 2 will be 82.5, and 82.5 plus 1 will give me 83.5 as my answer. Now next, move to our next series. 16, 9, 10, 21. This is somehow similar pattern. So let's try first this only. 16 to 9. I am writing again as 16 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 9 to 10. Here I am writing as 9 into 1 plus 1. But now 10 to 21. 10 to 21 will be 10 into 2 plus 1. Now what will be my next number? Please don't get confused and multiply here with 3. Here the pattern was of 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in the 7th, the pattern is of double the previous number. The double of half is 1, double of 1 is 2. So the next number will be double of 2, that is 4. So for the next number, I have to do into 4 and plus 1. I am repeating it. In the previous question, the pattern was of 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in the 7th, the pattern is of double the previous. The double of 1 by 2 will be 1. Double of 1 will be 2. So the next number will be double of 2, that is 4. So I have to do here 21 into 4 plus 1, which is 85. Now let's move to our 8th series. 1, 3, 4, 7, 16, 11, 64. First I have to check for difference pattern. 1 and 3, 2, 1, 3, no difference pattern is being seen. Next, for the product pattern. If I look in the series, for the product pattern, you will observe 1 into 4 is giving me 4. 4 into 4 is giving me 16. 16 into 64, 16 into 4 is giving me 64. And for the remaining numbers 3, 7, 11, it is following the difference series. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So it is a beautiful combination of difference and product series. This is a difference series and this is my product series, and it is the question of combination of these two. So my next number here will be 11 plus 4, that is 15. So my next series here is 18, 24, 29, 34 and 40. I have to first look on these four options: difference, product, squares and cubes. So let's first start with difference. 24 minus 18, the difference is of 6 here. 29 minus 24, the difference is of 5. 34 minus 29, again 5. 40 minus 34, again 6. But 6, 5, 5, 6 is not making any pattern. Let's now try to find the difference of these differences. So here it is 6 and 5 plus 1. 5 to 5, it's plus 0 pattern. 6 to 5, here the pattern is of minus 1. And these are my consecutive numbers: minus 1, 0 and 1. So the next number here should be 2. So to reach to my next number, I have to follow the pattern of plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give me 8, and 40 plus 8 will give me my answer 48. So this is also an important question. Always try to check the double difference in the number series. The next question is 3, 11, 25, 77, 157. If I start to look for difference, the pattern is really very mismatching. 3 and 11, little difference. 11, 25, 25 then 77, and 77 to 157 is really a large difference. Next is for product. So if we look at product, 25 into 3, 75. So here if I look for pattern, 25 into 3, 75. 75 plus 2 is giving me 77 into 3 plus 2. But from 11 to 25, 11 into 2 plus 3, 11 into 2, 22. 22 plus 3 is giving me 25. Into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 2. Now let's check whether the next number is following this pattern or not. Into 2 plus 3 should be there for the next number. 77 into 2, 154. 154 plus 3, bingo, is giving me my number 157. So the pattern is of into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 2. So check here also. Here it should be 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2 is giving me my number. So for the next number 157, it will be 157 into 3 plus 2. 157 into 3 will be 471, and 471 plus 2 will give me my number as 473. Now next move to our next series. 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. So difference is definitely not an option here. Next, product. If I look here for product, there is no sequence in the product for these numbers, but if I try to arrange 12 36. 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 36 can be written as 4 into 9. 3 into 4. 4 is the square of 2. 9 is the square of 3. Try to fit 16 here because the square of 4 is 16. So 5 into 16 will be 80. 2, 3, 4. Square of 5, 25. So 25 into 6 will give me 150. So I am going to write 2 as 2 into 1. So if you look carefully, the pattern is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here it is multiplied with square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5. I got my pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next number, it will be square of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it will be 7. Square of 6 will be 36 into 7 will give me 252 as my answer. So this was a very beautiful series. Let's move to our next 12th series. -1, 0, 3, 20, 147. So clearly difference is not an option here because the difference between these two is really very large. Next, 20 to 147. I can reach 20 to 140 by multiplying it with 7. So let's try to fit in. It is 20 into 7 plus 7. 3 to 20. 3 to 20, if I have to reach from 3 to 20, if I follow 3 into 6 plus 2. But 6 and 2 are making no pattern. Next, reduce this. 3 into 5 if I check. 3 5s are 15, I have to reach 20. Plus 5. 5 5 7 7. It is making a pattern. So I am writing here 3 into 5 plus 5. Now 0, 7, 5. These are odd number. So the previous odd number should be 3. So I am writing it here as 0 into 3 plus 3. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 plus 3 is giving me 3. 7, 5, 3. The previous odd number to 3 will be 1. So I have to set 1 here. So I am going to write it as -1 into 1 plus 1. -1 into 1, -1 plus 1 minus 1, 0. Bingo, I got my series. 1, 3, 5, 7. So the next pattern should be of 9. The next odd number here I will be having is 9. So my answer will be 147 into 9 plus 9. So it will become 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 1 3 2 3 plus 9. 1332 is my answer to this series. So very beautiful pattern is seen here. Multiply and plus with odd numbers. Now let's move to our next series, series 13, 25, 89, 332, 588 and 713. Now this series is looking very strange. I am sure that cube, square or product is not going to fit here. So let's try with difference. 713 minus 588 will give me 125. 588 minus 332 will be 256. 332 minus 89 will give me 243, and 89 minus 25 is 64. Now these numbers are looking nice. These are squares and cubes, I know. Now next 125. I can write 125 as cube of 5. Now 256 is square of 16. But 16 then 5 will not make any pattern. So instead of writing 256 as 16 square, I am trying to fit 4 here. So 256 will be 4 raised to power 4. So I am writing 256 as 4 raised to power 4. Now I have to set 243 and 3 to make the pattern 3, 4, 5. So 243 will be 3 raised to power 5 and 64. 64 is 8 square, and for the 8 I am writing 2 cube. So 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6. What a beautiful pattern! 2, 3, 4, 5. So next will be definitely 6. The powers are 6, 5, 4, 3. Next power will be 2. So square of 6 will be 36. Add 36 to 713 to get your answer. The answer here will be 749. Now let's move to our next series, 1, 8, 50, 253. Looking at 50 and 253 gives us the hint that let's do multiplication with 5. 50 into 5 will reach to 250, 253, so add 3 also. Now 8 to 50, if this sequence is correct, then 8 to 50 I can write as 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. I have to make it to 50. So plus 2. So see the pattern. 5 to 6, 3 to 2. 5, 6. So here 7 will get set. 1 into 7. 3, 2. 1. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 1 will give me 8. So the next sequence will be 7, 6, 5. So here it will be 4. 253 into 4. 1, 2, 3. So again I have to add with 4. 253 into 4 will give me 1012 plus 4 will give me answer 1016. Now our last pattern, 48, 24, 16 and 12. Let's try with product sequence. To make 48 to 24 into 1 by 2, 24 to 16. So 16 over 24 is 2 by 3. So to make 24 to 16, I have to multiply it with 2 into 3. 16 to 12. So 12 upon 16 is 3 by 4. I have to multiply this with 3 by 4. See the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So the next number will be 1, 2, 3. So here it will be 4. 2, 3, 4. So here it will be 5. My answer will be 12 into 4 upon 5. 12 4s are 48. 48 by 5 will give me my answer as 9.6. So I hope you like these 15 patterns of number series.